Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan and you're watching on the Web Guide channel, and today we are going to learn how to use Faker module to generate fake data. So let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. The use of this Faker module is to generate fake data. So let's say in this blog post website, you have to populate your database. So how you're going to do that? Either you have to write 100, 200 posts so that you can see how whether everything is working or not. Else you can use Faker module. So at first we have to install that. So you will just search for Faker Python and you will find this link and just copy this pip install Faker and install that. Since I have already installed it, it will show requirement already satisfied. Great. Now I will take you to the documentation of Faker. Just click on this link, extended document. And right here we have the extended document of Faker. So now I will start the shell, and in that we will learn how to use Faker module. So I will say python manage.py shell. It's better I should clear the screen first. Say exit, clear, and now I will open the shell, and inside shell we will say from Faker import Faker, fake is Faker, faker.c, let's say 313, and now we will say fake.name. So generate a fake name, generate another fake name, another fake name. Great. We can also generate addresses, so we can say fake.address, another address, another address. You can also generate text, so we can say fake.text. It should have parentheses, another text, another text. Great. We can also generate sentences, so let's say fake.sentences. We have sentences, and you can also generate paragraph, so we can say fake.paragraph. Okay, another paragraph, another paragraph. But you can see we have 2-3 lines, but it may be that you want more than 2-3 lines. So for that you will provide a parameter, say nb underscore sentences equals to, let's say, 10. And now we have a paragraph of 10 sentences. You can also provide, let's say, 50. We have paragraph of 50 sentences. Okay, so that's how you can use Faker module, and you can learn a lot about it from its documentation. Now I have let's exit this first, clear the screen. Now I have a Faker file that I have created for you to populate the database. So I'll just create a new file, and I will say Faker file .py, and it should be this. So here you can see I have the Faker file that will generate all the information required for our database. So let's copy this, open the shell. I will say python manage.py shell and paste it here. So done. So what has just happened, let me tell you. Just get back here. See, at first I have imported the Faker, I have imported the post model, and I have imported the user model for author. Okay, then I have imported NumPy. Why I have imported NumPy, that I will tell you later. At first I have created the instance and put the seed to 313, and I have defined a variable which is an array of 10 tags. Okay, that means we have various posts, and what all tags can be added to that post, that are written right here. And what are the possible status of a post can be either published or draft. Okay, then I have created an instance of user, that means that is our author. And now I'm creating 100 posts. Okay, that's why I have written 100 right here. I will give title with post title, and whatever the value of I, let's say if it's 0, then post title 0, post title 1, post title 2, like this. Then I'm using numpy random.choice from possible tag grab 3. What it means, I'm telling numpy to randomly take any 3 tags from possible tag list. Okay, then I am grabbing one possible status. It can be either published or draft. Then I am creating a new post with the title. Here I have defined that, author we have defined, and we are creating a paragraph of 20 sentences with Faker module and status that we have defined here. Okay, then we are saving that new post and we are adding tags that we have created. So here we have created the tag that we have added right here. See, here I have just used this asterisk. What it means, let me show you this. I will say possible tag, possible tags. So it's a tag of 10 element, and it's better, how can I tell you? Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, I just copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, see, here we have an array of 3 elements. Okay, whatever tags it is, it really doesn't matter. It matters that we have an array of 3 elements. If I do like this, asterisk, what has happened? Okay, now what I do, I will provide asterisk and then I will provide tags. Now you can see that this asterisk is converted into an list. See, if you have let's say list of tags, this is another way. You save this to T, and now let's say if you have provided that T inside the T, you have an array, list of list. But if you want to expand that list inside that list, and for that you will just use asterisk and then T. And now you can see that every element present inside this particular list is now present inside the list. That means there is only one list. Okay, so I hope you can understand why I have used this asterisk here, where it has gone right here. Okay, so that's how we are creating the information for our database. Now I'll just exit from the console. I'll run the server. So I'll say python manage.py run server. Copy this, go to /list. See, we have 27 pages. Okay, so I just want to add more posts in the single page. So I'll just go to views, in the detail view, in list view, in pagination, instead of 4 I will say I want to see, let's say 10 posts. Save this, and now I will just refresh. See, we have 10 posts in the single page. I will just go to page 1. We have all the posts right here. Just go to okay, we have created this, let's say this post. Now we have the title, we have the body, we have status published, we have author, everything we have. Now let's open the admin panel and check. So we have our post, and in this post we have 99 posts, from 0 to 99, that means 100 posts. And we have draft published, so you can check all published post right here. Then we have draft post. Okay, great. Now what we want to get back here, and I'll just save this file. Okay, great. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram handler harshvardhan.ai. Thank you.